Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to log in, and if you're not sure how to add your Google account to the device, simply check our tutorial. So after that, we have to open this circle, tap on this, so we can see our account. Let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, so the first option, and then tap on Manage. And as you can see, right here we've got the list of all installed apps, so to check which one we can update, simply tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, there we've got the list of the updates. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just choose those apps which you would like to update. So let me pick maybe Google Drive and maybe YouTube. So just mark them and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.